the neighbor, he is very scary. He is really scary.
Calm down, kids. Maybe it is a mistake. It is late now. Go to bed.
Yes, Mom. Oh, the weather is very nice today. Let's open the window and get some sun. Oh my God! The neighbor! His body is full of blood! Run fast! Before he sees me! Mom! Come fast! He is very scary! His body is full of blood! Calm down, Bill. Maybe you are wrong. Look, Mom! Over there! Hi, we are new here.
Hi, nice to meet you.
He is very scary.
You see things because you're tired. Go to bed early tonight, Bill.
I am eating and watching my movie. It is so fun. What is that sound? What is he doing? Oh my God!
Yikes. He is holding a knife. He is cutting something round.
Oh no, it looks like blood. It's so scary. He is not looking at me. I need to tell Mom. Mom! Look! The neighbor is cutting something.
Anna, eat your food. Do not watch too much when you eat. You are imagining things.
No, Mom, believe me. Bill, help me take out the trash. Yes, Mom. Thanks. I am taking out the trash. Oh my God! Oh! He is pulling something. Oh! It is big. It looks like a person.
You will disappear forever.
This is very scary. Oh. Oh, I am in danger. Mom, I see something scary. The neighbor is pulling a big long bag. It looks like a person.
That is not good, Bill. Do not say that. It hurts him.
I think it is a person. Please believe me.
That is enough, Bill. It is late now. Go to bed and stop imagining things.
Okay, Mom. Anna, can I sleep with you tonight? Why? Are you scared?
Yes, the neighbor is very scary.
I think so too.
I saw blood on his body this morning.
And I saw him cutting something. It looked like a head.
No way! A moment ago, I saw him with a big bag.
Oh, is he a killer? Oh. Okay, we should stay calm and go to sleep now. It's gonna rain. Let me close the window.
digging!
He is digging a big hole. Oh my God, it looks so scary. Close the window. He will see us. We will tell Mom tomorrow. If we both talk, she will believe it. Bill, wake up. We need to tell Mom.
Oh no! Lowell, look, Bill! Mom is talking to the scary neighbor.
I saw you at the store yesterday, but
Will Mom be his next target? I am so scared. Do not worry. He is not doing anything here. Look! Mom is coming back.
Come on, let us go tell Mom.
Mom, we need to tell you something.
What is it? Oh, we have a neighbor visiting.
Hello.
If we talk now, he will hurt us.
Yes, let us stay quiet.
Play with the neighbor. I am going to the store.
No, Mom! No, Mom! Do not go!
Do not be silly. I will be back soon. Be nice, okay?
Hello, my name is Jack.
He is coming closer!
No! Please stay away! Please stay away!
Nice to meet you.
We will keep your secret!
What secret? I do not understand.
You hurt someone, right? We'd see anything.
Hurt someone? No.
Yesterday, I saw blood on your body.
It's a tomato smoothie.
I have the glass, but the floor is slippery. I fall, and the smoothie is all over me.
Last night, I saw you cutting something. It looks like a head.
That round thing is a pumpkin. Last night, I wanted to cook pumpkin soup, but the pumpkin was very hard. When I cut it, the cutting board flipped.
The pumpkin flew up, and the soup went everywhere.
What about the big bag last night?
That is my boxing bag. It is broken.
So, why are you digging at night?
I am making a small pond for fish.
Why do you not do it in the day?
It's raining, so the ground is easy to dig.
Are you a killer?
No. I love life. Look, I have a cute cat tattoo.
Wow, so cute! We are very sorry. We are wrong to think bad about you.
That is okay.
Let us play together.
Yeah! Oh, I see. That is very funny.
Maybe I look scary, so they think like that.
We will buy tomatoes and make juice for you. Yes, that's good idea.
Okay, go ahead. Be careful.
Yes, Mom. are walking again and again. Oh no! We are lost. What do we do now? I am scared. I want Mom. Let's see what we will learn in today's story.
I am eating and watching my movie.
Today, we will learn the present continuous tense. We use subject plus to be plus verb ing. The present continuous is used for an action happening right now. For example, Anna is planting a tree. Or Mom is cooking. If you want to make a negative sentence, we use subject plus to be plus not plus verb plus ing.
For example, Jack is not exercising. He is drinking tomato juice.
Or Dad is not sleeping.
I am reading book.
And when you want to ask a question, we use question word plus to be plus subject plus verb ing. For example, what are you doing, Anna? I am watching TV.
Or, what is he studying right now?
He is studying math. It's easy, right? Now, try to make your own sentence and comment below. Where are we? Next time, Anna and Bill get lost on a new road. We are lost. They will be chased by a dog. No! Ow! Fall into a ditch
Disgusting.
and have many problems.
So sorry. Please let me help.
Let's see we solve them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.